안녕하세요, 쟈스민's picture book story. Today's story is Shark in the Park on a Windy Day by Nick Sherrod. Oh, this is our familiar shark. Shark in the Park on a Windy Day. Let's begin. It's a wild windy day, and a certain small boy is out with his dad and his favorite toy, telescope. Timothy and his dad. Timothy Pope tried looking through his telescope. The wind blows his scarf, the wind blows his hair. It's blown this way and that way, but Tim doesn't care. Because this is what he sees. Tim knows the shape. And he knows what to do. He shouts, "Shark in the park!" Can you shout that out too? Shark in the park! It definitely looks like a shark's fin. Ew! It isn't a shark that Timothy sees. It's a big black umbrella caught up in the breeze. Timothy Pope looks again through his telescope. The wind blows his scarf. The wind blows his hair. He's blown this way and that way, but Tim doesn't care because this is what he sees. Oh dear me! Hey, Tim's got no choice. He shouts, "Shark in the park!" at the top of his voice. What a relief! It isn't a shark. Woof, woof. It's a big friendly dog with a big friendly bark. Woof, woof. Timothy Pope had one last look through his telescope. The wind blows his scarf. The wind blows his hair. He's blown this way and that way, but Tim doesn't care because this is what he sees. Timothy does what he knows he must. He shouts, "Shark in the park!" till he's fit to bust. Uh-oh, it isn't a shark that Timothy spied. Help! It's a runaway pram with a baby inside, and it's heading for the pond. We need to help the baby. But Tim's dad runs fast. He grabs hold of the pram. The mother says, "Thank you, how grateful I am." Phew, Squirrel said. "Really," said Tim's dad. "You ought to thank him. He spotted your pram, so it's all down to him." "That was exciting," says Tim. "By the way, it's a good job there weren't any sharks here today." Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Wait. Uh-oh, look at this. Under the pond, there definitely is a shark. Shark in the park on a windy day. The end.